All right, Jeffy, are you ready to take off?
Yeah, Junior, let's go.
All right, let's go. Do you like it, Jeffy?
Get me down!
I'm trying to get you down. It's not working. I think this is a Game Boy SP. I'm trying to get you down. I'm trying to get you down. I'm trying. Get there, Jeffy! Okay, hold on. All I found is a tennis ball.
What the fuck's a tennis ball gonna do?
I don't know, Jeffy. Jeffy, I told you not to do anything stupid with that drone. And you know what you did? You did something stupid with it.
Well, Daddy, I just really wanted to be a bird.
Well, Jeffy, don't be a bird. Do not attach yourself to that stupid drone. All you're supposed to do is fly it. And you're not even supposed to fly it inside. You're supposed to fly it outside, okay? So don't fly it inside anymore.
Okay, Daddy.
Stop being stupid. Jeffy, that was a close one. What'd your dad say?
He said we have to play with the drone outside, Junior.
Outside?
Yeah.
Jeffy, you know what we should do?
What?
We should fly that drone to Mars.
Hell yeah. But Junior, this time can I fly it?
Yeah, sure. I didn't know how to control it anyway. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, Jeffy, are you ready to launch this drone and go to Mars?
Yeah, let's go to Mars.
Let's go to Mars. Whoa, it's going so high up, Jeffy. Keep going higher.
I'm going, Junior.
Even higher. Uh-oh. Oh.
What the hell was that? Oh my God! Wait! Oh shit! We lost the way! Holy shit! Mayday! We're going down! Oh my God! I'm trying to correct it. Oh my God! We're going down! Scream! Everybody scream! Scream for your lives!
This stupid plane here a drone.
Oh, Jeffy, we should go inside. Run!
Okay.